Welcome to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be telling you different tips, techniques, methods, and principles from the best self help books across the world. Today, I'm going to tell you a different technique mentioned in this book, Code of Honor. Watch this video till the end so that you can understand these tips and techniques in a better way and you can implement in your life and you can grow to lead a successful lifestyle. So let's move ahead and jump in. Today I am going to tell you the different tips and techniques mentioned in this book, The Team Code of Honor. This book has got more than 4.7 star rating on Amazon. So the different books written by the same author Blair Singer are like The Sales Dog. The second one is The Little Wise Mastery and The Summit Leadership. All the books are awesome. So let me start ahead with the definition of Code of Honor. So what is Code of Honor? It is a set of simple and powerful rules and it will help the internal behavior of any team, family or the individual. So let us find the definition of Team Code of Honor. It is a set of simple yet powerful rules that will help to understand the internal behavior of any team, family or individual. These are the rules like never before abandoning a teammate in need. Also, they are what people are willing to stand and defend and be accountable for. And finally, it is the ultimate rule to achieve your goal. So, let us understand the different benefits of this team code of conduct. Firstly, this brings together the individuals, family, and the team members to achieve the greater goal, and also brings out the energy among the team members as this code builds the trust and emotional bonding and the energy among the teammates, and it also creates the accountability and the feeling of support among the team members. And finally, a code of honor brings out the best in every person. So let me give an example of a family code of honor. So a simple family code of honor for a family is that communicate daily no matter where I am in this world. So this is very much important irrespective of in which part of the world you are staying, but you need to communicate with your spouse daily. Also, you need to communicate with your children. Work on all the disagreements until they are resolved. This is also a very important point because it is necessary to understand why your spouse is not following the rules of the code of conduct which was agreed by both the members. Weekend is a kids and a family time. Yes, friends, this is also an important code of honor for the family time. The other code of honor points are like keep your agreements simple and straightforward. Commit your personal development and education and listen to your partner when they are speaking rather than being on the mobile as this communication leads to disharmony among yourself. Let me give another example of career code of honor. Never abandon a teammate in need. Yes, friends, important code of honor because abandoning a teammate actually leads to the collapse of the company and organization. And also, the second point is be willing to call and be called. So, in case of emergency, when your teammate is in need, it is necessary that he need to call you for help. Also, the same holds true for you when you are facing a challenging time at your workplace. Call your teammate to get the work done. Also, be on time at your workplace, also in the meetings. This gives the respect to the persons who are present in time. Be loyal to the team members. Be loyal to the team. This is the important code of honor point. Be resourceful. Find solutions before dumping on the others. Be responsible. No laying blame on others and no justifications and excuses to be given to the teammates for the failure. Keep all the agreements and clean up any broken disagreements as soon as possible with your teammates so that you are again in harmony with the other members and are ready to work for the team. Everyone should participate in the meetings. Yes, we hear it many times that the meetings are waste of time, but when we participate in the meetings, we come to the conclusion in a very faster way and come out of the meeting with the results. Coming to personal development, this is a very important point for the career code of conduct. Yes, friends, commit to personal development is an important code of honor point. And finally, celebrate all your wins. Yes, After a long day, hard work, and if you are succeeded to achieve your goal, it is necessary that you enjoy and celebrate all these wins. This brings in the trust and the emotional bonding among the team members. So, what are the 7 tips for creating this good code of honor? Let us see one by one. Be specific. Your rules must be written as a statement, rules, or agreement. Yes, friends, it has to be very much specific and it has to be written. There should not be any verbal communication for this code of honor. The second point is it has to be in agreement with all the members. Yes, if you are making a point to write down the code of honor, it is necessary that all the team members are present and agree to all these points. Stand behind the purpose and goals of the team once decided. Yes, yes, friends, once you have decided the purpose and the goals of the team and your code of honor is finalized, it is necessary to get bounded to this code of honor. Set of personal rules and agreement. The fifth point is don't try to legislate the mood and the bad mood. Write this code of honor in a good mood so that it brings the positiveness while working towards this goal. The sixth rule is if someone breaks a rule, you can call it. Yes, yes, friends, it's necessary that if one of your colleague is breaking the code of honor, it's necessary to talk with him and understand why he is not following this code of honor so that you can guide him and suggest him how he can follow this code of honor. And finally, there is no exit clause for the code of honor. Yes, friends, this is very important that when you are working in a team when all the team members have agreed for this code of honor, you cannot back up from this code of honor, which will collapse the goal of the organization or a team or a family. To follow this code of honor, it's necessary to have a better leadership qualities. So let's see a few leadership qualities required to follow this code of honor. Deal directly with the team. Yes, friends, this is very much necessary that you need to directly deal with the team so that you can achieve your goals in a better way. Maintain a frequency of interaction. Yes, it's necessary that a leader has to interact with his teammates regularly so that he gets a better understanding of the project as well as of the team members. Celebrating all the wins. This is necessary as I said earlier that after a hard work it's necessary to celebrate your wins and success. Teach what you preach. It means that you have to follow the rules and so that the other members can also do the same. Just telling others to follow the rules and you being a leader breaking the rules makes no sense. Appreciate team for a good work. Yes, it's necessary to appreciate the team members for their good work and congratulate them for their work. Yes, friends, during the challenging time when all the things are not working as per your wish, it's necessary to follow this code of honor so that you don't get diverted from your goal and you achieve it in a better way. My dear friends, my favorite quote from this book is that greatness doesn't happen by chance, nor does it occur in vacuum. Greatness comes from first a passion for what you do, and secondly, a great understanding of what you can and want to be the best at. Dear viewers, write in the comment box what you like the most and which techniques you are going to implement for this code of honor. And also let me know if you have any queries and questions in the comment box so that I can help you to implement this code of honor in your different fields of life. Dear viewers, subscribe to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub where I'll be telling you different tips and techniques from different self-help books. Thank you and see you next week with a different tip to lead a successful lifestyle. Take care. Bye.